Yeah, minding my fucking business in my fucking car, and here's these dumb, stupid, fucking racist ass dumb motherfuckers on the corner. Got their stupid ass over here. One fucking just had a dumb motherfucker over here parked over here by me before. Now this dumb fucking idiot is sitting his stupid ass over here in his fucking driveway with his fucking light shining over here in my fucking car. Like I got something to do with this dumb, stupid fucking coward. These stupid motherfuckers who are stupid as fucking shit. Some dumb racist fucking Asian motherfuckers on the corner, and they got their dumb ass over here think they can harass me and kind of have me under fucking surveillance, and then now I got their stupid ass over here. I'm just sitting there minding my fucking business, and these dumb, stupid fucking cowards are sitting in their fucking driveways over here fucking with their lights over here facing towards me. And that dumb motherfucker need to do that. Need to do that fucking shit just for this dumb fucking coward to have his ass over here, having some people over his fucking house. I ain't got shit to do with these dumb, stupid motherfuckers. And here it is, fucking 12:30, 1 o'clock in the fucking morning, and these dumb, stupid fucking cowards got their fucking stupid dumb ass over here. As I'm looking out the fucking window, all of a sudden they got their stupid ass over here with their lights shining on my fucking car. And that's just some fucking coincidence. There's these stupid fucking cowards keep coming their fucking dumb, stupid ass around me. This dumbass coward, I'll leave here in the morning or some shit. Next you know, he's leaving at the same time. Come back same time. There are these dumb, stupid, fucking, racist ass fucking cowards.